Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn sound. Okay, the first word is nod. Nod your head. Children, let's touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your head. Now let's nod our head. 1. Nod your head. 2. Nod your head. 3. Nod your head. 4. Nod your head. 5. Nod your head. 6. Nod your head. 7. Nod your head. 8. Nod your head. 9. Nod your head. 10. Okay, very good. Now please stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. We are going to touch our knees. First of all, find your knee. 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 Okay, with your hands. Give me 5. Give me 10. Give me 10. Okay, very good. So touch your knees. Touch your knees. 1. Touch your knees. 2. Touch your knees. 3. Touch your knees. 4. Touch your knees. 5. Touch your knees. 6. Touch your knees. 7. Touch your knees. 8. Touch your knees. 9. Touch your knees. 10. Very good. And let's revise. Nod your head. Now let's nod. Nod your head. 1. Nod your head. 2. Nod your head. 3. And stop. Now touch your knees. Touch your knees. 1. Touch your knees. 2. Touch your knee. 3. And stop. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, hello.
Hello. So the first sound that we are going to learn is sound squat. So we need to sit down and stand up. This is a squat. Squat. Next sound ah. We are going to do arm circles. Arm circles. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Come here. Arm circles. Arm circles. The next sound is sound A. And for A sound, we are going in the first ballet position, like this. And our arms we put on. Next sound P. For P sound, we are going to make push up. What is it, push up? So we put our hands on the floor and make push ups. 1, 2. Okay, very good. Push up. For sound T, we touch our toes. Okay, very good. For sound N, we do neck stretch like this. 1, 2. Okay. For squats, sit down, squat. 2, squats. 3, squats. 4, squats. 1, squats. 2, sit down. Squats. Now sound ah. Show me your arm. Arm. To circle our arms. Circle your arms. Okay, very good. Circle your arms. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Now sound E. A. Put your hands on your head. Capital letter. A. A. Okay, very good. Now sounds push up. Push up. Okay, now stand up. Neck. Neck. Stretch your neck. Stretch the neck. Stretch your neck. No, stretch. Stretch your neck like this. Stretch your. No. So let's check. So for squats. Okay. for push-ups. Okay, very good. For push-ups. Okay, the next sound is